to a store that they have them already sliced. You buy slice. This one, they don't have no. So we cut them, make them a thin piece.
Okay.
Do we make it?
Nice thin pieces here.
That's it.
Breadcrumbs?
Yeah. It's enough of it today.
Mm-hmm. Whatever
oil you have. But because I don't use, I usually throw it away afterwards. So if I fry it.
Corn oil?
Corn oil.
Just crack the eggs into here?
You put the oil ready. Beat the eggs. It's like the...
Oh, that side doesn't turn on.
Yeah. It's the old way.
Yeah.
So we do this.
How many eggs did you put in again?
2.
2?
Well, depends on how many do you need. If you do it for yourself, one is more than enough. You put breadcrumbs on.
Yeah, make sure it's covered.
It's covered. Put them in here.
So, not cook too much, just because we're gonna bake them later, right?
Yeah, and then when you bake it, they cooked the chicken inside.
Right.
Just so it stays
Together.
together, yeah. Doesn't.
There she is, in all of its glory. The sauce. It really is a thing of beauty, Nonna.
Yes. I think it's if I finish it, they keep up. All right. So before we would have got it today.
Yeah.
It's okay. I always like to go to Costco, so I look around. Look. Nice
Beautiful.
tray.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now the camel better the slicer one, you know.
Mm-hmm. For now, grated works.
Yeah. It's good enough. Huh?
One more layer of the sauce.
This sauce. I mean, when you're alone, you could buy that sauce. People use it. It must be good.
No, well, it's not your sauce.
Well,
It's a heavenly thing, Nonna.
yeah, it's an. I don't know. I never use it, so I have no idea. But I see people using it, and they say, "Good, good." Okay, it's good. If you don't know any better, it's
Yeah, exactly. No, nothing's like your sauce. Trust me. People travel miles for it.
listen, when we cook, we put a lot of love in.
Mm-hmm.
Not just all throw away things and just do it any way they come. No. We do it with love.
Absolutely.
For the people that we love.
Absolutely.
400.
So, 375,
Yeah.
we're gonna cook it.
Mm-hmm. 400.
Wow, look at it.
Yeah. A couple more minutes and then we'll turn it off.